Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Hope you guys are having the greatest day ever thus far. But listen people, I'm trying to get you ready for the weekend. The weekend is really close and I got another awesome premium watch face that I think is worthy of a download and only pay $1 for this one. All right, the name of the watch face is called DD12 Metal Sport. It has a good look. I like the blending of analog and digital within this watch face, and even in the AOD mode, it's gonna look just as nice. But once the watch face is on, I like the layout, I like the setup, I like the floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch up at the top, and you're gonna be able to get info, of course, on your steps. You're gonna get info on your battery percentage and the date. Now, you're also gonna get your analog clock there, digital time there, and all your step status again, which I'm loving that the developers are doing. They're putting it all in one place so they're very legible and you can find them with ease. Now you're going to get your, of course, calories burned, your step information, heart rate. You're also going to get floors climbed, and you're also going to get your speed as well. So I thought this was a good look for a watch face, and it has a very premium luxurious look to such a digital analog watch face. Now it isn't active, so if I tap right here, I can go into my step status info, get my steps, sleep, calories burned. Over here, I can go into my calendar, set an event, and I can customize the color of the watch face by double tapping. And you get 4 to 5 different watch face colors to change to, and they all look nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.